Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something that can completely change the way people see you. Not your clothes, not your degree, not your background, your words. Have you ever noticed something? In every room, there is always one person who doesn't talk too much, who doesn't try too hard, who doesn't use very big vocabulary, but when they speak, everyone listens. The room becomes quiet. People nod. People respect them. Have you ever wondered why? It's not magic. It's not accent. It's not perfect grammar. It's smart communication. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to develop it. Not fake confidence, not artificial speaking, real smart speaking. And listen carefully. This will not only improve your English, this will improve your personality. Because the truth is simple. The way you speak decides how the world treats you. Even powerful communicators like Barack Obama were not respected just because of position. They were respected because of clarity, because of calm delivery, because of control. And as Albert Einstein said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. That line alone can change how you speak forever. So today, we master smart speaking, step by step. Part 1. What smart speaking really means. First, let's destroy a myth. Smart speaking does not mean using difficult vocabulary, speaking fast, copying American or British accent, or showing off grammar. That is not smart speaking. Smart speaking means clear thoughts, calm delivery, purposeful words, and emotional control. It means when you speak, people understand you the first time. No confusion, no chaos, no unnecessary noise. Smart speaking is clarity plus confidence plus control. And now let's break it down. Tip number 1. Think before you speak. The 3-second rule. This one habit alone can change your personality in 30 days. Most people talk first, think later. Smart speakers, think first, then speak. When someone asks you something, don't rush. Pause. 1 breath, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Silence is not weakness. Silence is power. Why does this work? Because when you rush, you use filler words, you repeat yourself, you lose structure, you sound nervous. But when you pause, your brain organizes thoughts, your words become sharp, your tone becomes calm. Let's see the difference. Question: how was the presentation? Nervous answer: yeah, it was fine. We kind of discussed some points, and yeah, I think it went okay. Smart answer. Pause. It went well. We clarified the key issues and agreed on next steps. Short, clear, confident. Same English level, different control. Start practicing this everywhere. Before answering, before reacting, before arguing. Pause. Think, then speak. Tip 2. Use simple words but strong ideas. This is where most English learners go wrong. They think, if I use big words, I will sound intelligent. No. Using complicated words often shows insecurity. Look at successful communicators like Steve Jobs. He didn't speak like a dictionary. He spoke like a human. Simple, clear, direct. Instead of, We need to commence implementation immediately. Say, let's start now. Instead of, this proposal lacks feasibility, say, this idea will not work. Simple language makes you easier to understand, more confident, more trustworthy, more memorable. Remember this powerful line. Complex words impress for seconds. Clear ideas impress for years. If a 12-year-old can understand you, you are powerful. Tip 3. Control your tone and speed. Now we move to something deeper. Your voice is not just sound. It is emotion. Two people can say the same sentence, but one sounds powerful, the other sounds weak. Why? Tone and pace. If you speak too fast, you sound nervous. If you speak too slow, you sound unsure. Balance is smart speaking. Try this sentence. I believe in this idea. Say it fast. Now say it slower with pause. I believe in this idea. Feel the difference? Confidence is often about rhythm. Interview masters like Oprah Winfrey use pauses like weapons. They let silence create impact. Here's how you improve. Record yourself daily. Notice your speed. Notice your tone. Practice slowing down. When you slow down slightly, you automatically sound smarter, because calm equals control. Tip 4. Listen more than you talk. This might surprise you. The smartest speakers are the best listeners. Why? Because listening gives you power. When you listen, you understand context. You avoid mistakes. You respond precisely. You gain respect. Follow the 70-30 rule. Listen 70%. Speak 30%. When someone finishes speaking, don't immediately react. Pause. Then respond thoughtfully. Example. Friend, I had a terrible day at work. Bad response. That's nothing. My day was worse. Smart response. That sounds difficult. What happened? See the difference? One competes, one connects. Connection builds influence, and influence is real intelligence. Part 2. The story that will change you. Let me tell you about someone. His name was Rehan. Rehan knew English. He studied hard. He watched English videos daily. But in meetings, nobody took him seriously. He spoke too fast. He over-explained. He tried to sound smart. One day, he had a great idea, but he explained it for 3 minutes. People lost interest. Later, another colleague said, "We can test this first. It reduces risk." That's it. Same idea, less words, more impact. That day changed Rehan. He realized smart speaking is not about talking more. It is about saying less, but better. He started practicing, pausing, short sentences, slower tone, no fillers. After 3 months, something changed. When Rehan spoke, people listened. Not because he changed vocabulary, because he changed control. And you can do the same. Tip 5. Structure your thoughts, the secret weapon. Smart speakers follow structure.
Before speaking, ask yourself, what is my main point? Then follow this simple formula: point, reason, example. For example, I think we should launch next month because the market demand is high. For example, our competitors are already expanding. Simple structure, clear thinking. Without structure, speech becomes messy. With structure, speech becomes powerful. Practice this in daily conversations. Your clarity will double instantly. Tip 6. Choose words with purpose. Words create emotion. Words create reaction. Instead of, "You failed," say, "This didn't work. Let's improve it." Instead of, "You are wrong," say, "I see it differently." Smart speakers focus on solutions, not blame. Before speaking, use the 3 filters. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it respectful? If yes, speak. If no, rethink. This habit alone will increase respect dramatically. Tip 8. Body language matters. Your words are only part of communication. Your posture speaks. Your eyes speak. Your hands speak. Stand straight. Relax your shoulders. Maintain gentle eye contact. Use open hand gestures. Confidence is visible before it is audible. Even if your English is simple, strong body language makes you look smart. Tip 9. Build confidence daily. Confidence is not born, it is built. Here's your daily routine. Read aloud for 5 minutes. Record 1-minute talk daily. Remove 1 filler word weekly. Practice pause in every conversation. Learn 2 useful phrases daily. After 30 days, you will not recognize your own improvement. Confidence grows from repetition, not motivation. The psychology of impression. Let me tell you something powerful. People judge you within seconds. If you speak fast and messy, they assume you are confused. If you speak calm and structured, they assume you are intelligent, even if your grammar is not perfect. Clarity creates perception of intelligence. Calm creates perception of leadership. Control creates perception of confidence. Smart speaking is psychological influence. Final message: the real secret. Listen carefully. You don't need perfect English to impress people. You need clear thoughts, calm delivery, purposeful words. Daily practice. Stop trying to sound impressive. Start trying to sound clear. Stop speaking to prove yourself. Start speaking to express yourself. Pause. Think. Speak slowly. Use simple words. Listen deeply. And watch what happens. People will interrupt you less. People will respect you more. People will remember your words. Because smart speaking is not about noise. It is about impact. And when skill meets confidence, your voice becomes powerful. Not loud, not complicated. Powerful. If this video helped you, subscribe. Because here, we don't just learn English, we build personalities. And your voice? It deserves to be heard.